Okay, class, fifth grade students, we are here in our book on page 111. This is 111, and this is going to be our goal for today. No, we're going to do the first activity reading, and then we're going to answer some questions. This is going to be our goal, no, nuestra meta. Read the title and observe the picture. What do you think the text is about? Okay, what is the title? Ambitha Vijay, an amazing app developer. Okay, and what about the picture? What about the picture? This is the picture. What can you see? I can see, I don't know, it seems like a graduation day. No? One, two, three, four, and there is a little girl. Okay? Oh, I repeat the title. Ambitha Vijay, an amazing app developer. Okay. Read the title and observe the picture. What do you think the text is about? It's about what? A group of boys and girls? Okay, it's a possibility. It's about a graduation party? It's a possibility. It's about a little girl invited to the graduation party? Okay, all answers are welcome. Okay, now let's see. Number two. Read the first paragraph and answer. Smart kittens, animals is the name of the first paragraph. Okay, let's see. Ambitha Vijay, a smart and energetic 9 years old student in Melbourne, Australia, is the youngest app developer to have ever attended the annual Worldwide Developer. Okay, this is the introduction. Conference in San Francisco, USA, she created an app to teach animal names called Smarkings Animals and applied to be selected for one of the co-voted scholarship to attend the WWDC in 2016. To her delight, she was accepted and had the chance to meet fellow developers from all over the world who were really impressed with her. Okay, now Smart Kings Animal is the name of an online platform or an app about animals. This is a question according to what you read. Exactly, an app about animals. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, class, we're going to read the activity, so pay attention, okay?
Unit 7.
Because then you're going to answer some questions, okay? Let's see.
Track 63. Activity 3.
Anvitha Vijay, an amazing app developer.
Anvitha Vijay, a smart and energetic 9-year-old student in Melbourne, Australia, is the youngest app developer to have ever attended the annual Worldwide Developer Conference in San Francisco, USA. She created an app to teach animals names called Smartkins Animals and applied to be selected for one of the coveted scholarships to attend the WWDC in 2016. To her delight, she was accepted and had the chance to meet fellow developers from all over the world who were really impressed with her. The WWDC organizers invite 350 high school and college students to go to the conference for free, but primary school students are an exception. At the conference, scholarship winners can attend coding and programming sessions, mingle with app developers, exchange information, and learn from veterans, an experience they consider life-changing. Anvitha said she was really excited about this opportunity. It was like a dream to be here and meet so many people. I've just touched the tip of the iceberg in coding. There's so much to learn. She explained to curious reporters that she started coding when she was only 7. She used to watch several instructional videos related to coding and was inspired by her younger sister. She said thinking of her sister motivated her to develop her own app to teach kids how to identify the names of animals. Young children seem to be an important part of Anvitha's life. She explained that beside the Smartkids animals, she's a fan of the White Tiles 4, which was created in China in 2014, and whose target audience is also young children. Anvita impressed conference attendees who said she worked like a professional developer in the WWDC in 2016. Apart from being really concentrated on what she was doing, she also had her own business cards with her name and a motto: I want to make a difference in people's lives through technology. Anvita hopes she will be very successful in her career in coding. I want to be an innovator, to build things that people will love and benefit from, she said.
Okay, this has been the activity, no, about Bitha BJ. She's an amazing developer. So she likes creating apps, no? In this case, she created an app for animals, not for animals' name. She's 9 years old, so that little girl is this one, okay? She's from primary school and the others are for high school, no? Well, let's see. Listen, if you have problems with the reading activity, you can repeat this part many times so that you can get the right information, okay? So there is no problem, but I can continue, okay? I can continue with the activity. Read and listen, then write true or false, correct and false sentences, okay? For example, letter A, Ambitha J applied for a college scholarship, true or false? Letter B, only students from primary school are invited to attend the conference. True or false? At the WWDC, participants do practical activities. True or false? Amita's motivation to develop her first app was her sister. This is letter D. True or false? Letter E. Amita wants to innovate in technology. True or false? So what do you have to do is to try to read or listen the article so that you can answer them. For example, here is the first part. No, here is the first part. You can take a picture. You can take a screenshot if that is necessary. Here is the second part. Okay. And finally, here is the third part. Okay. Now let's see. That was about true or false. Now let's continue here. Find the words A to F in the text and match them with definitions 1 to 6. Coveted, delighted, mingle, veterans, motto, or benefits. Okay? For example, and the definitions: people with a lot of experience, mix, help, immense happiness, greatly wanted, an affirmation of a principle or aim. Okay, for example, people with a lot of experience, veterans. Okay, veterans. Okay, people with a lot of experience. Mingle is like with mix. Okay, mixing, mingle. Take notes. Number 1, veterans. Number 2, mingle. Number 3, help is with benefits. Okay, if you help me, we can get benefits of something new, for example. Okay, number 4, immense happiness. Very happy. No, delight. Okay, delight. Number 4. Number 5, greatly wanted. No, greatly wanted, coveted. Okay, this is the definition. An affirmation, number 6, an affirmation of a principle or aim, motto. Okay, motto. You can get this information on your dictionaries, there is no problem. It depends on you. Okay, class. For today's activity, the topic or our goal is going to be answer those questions, true or false. And the key word is to answer me or to correct the wrong answers, the wrong sentences. Okay? So read carefully and try to do this activity. Now, this is going to be our goal in our class. We're going to do this the last part of the class. So concentrate, you can do it. Could be a nice activity. Okay, class, thank you very much. Remember pages 110 and 11 for today. Get ready. See you soon. Good luck. Greetings from home. Bye bye, boys. Bye bye, girls.